Hi, this is Becky Grumlick and the Watercolor Classroom with Tuesday's Tips. Thank you so much for joining me. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and hit the bell. Today, we're going to do lifting to make clouds. And this is a great way to make clouds. You can make some pretty realistic looking clouds, and you can even use a photo to follow if the clouds are of the fluffy variety. So I have mixed some phthalo blue and some ultramarine blue on my palette. I like the phthalo for skies, but when you're trying to do lifting, it's nice to have some other color that's not quite as staining in it. But I want more color than that, so I'm gonna make it brighter. Here we go. I'm gonna come down without adding color because skies, they get lighter as you get down to the horizon. I don't really want to add any more blue, so I'm going to tap my brush at the bottom of the jar, and that gets the paint out. I'm not sure what that is on my paper. It's resisting the paint, but it's okay. I'll paint something there. Okay, then you take your tissue, and tissues work better. I tried cotton balls once. They don't work at all. I've tried paper towels. They leave this pattern that paper towels have. So the best, softest thing is a tissue. And you dab. And I like to make the tops of the clouds a little bit crisper. So I'll dab a little bit harder and then fade out from there. And I'm going to put one up here. I'm going to go to a new spot on the tissue. Dabbing a little bit harder and then getting softer. I want to get rid of those sort of squarish looking patterns that sometimes happen. And that works best at the end with this light touch. I'm going to put a few just around just to give this soft cloudy look to the sky. So there, look how easy that was. And we have some beautiful clouds. Thank you for watching, and have fun playing with your tissues and blue or whatever color of sky you want to have.